Websites.
What kinds of websites do you often visit? What kinds of websites do you often visit? What is your favorite website? What is your favorite website?
If you are looking for more questions and strengthen yourself for the test, subscribe to our channel and like the video to be the first to see the latest videos.
Are there any changes about the websites you often visit? Are there any changes about the websites you often visit? What kinds of websites are popular in your country? What kinds of websites are popular in your country?
If you know the answers to the questions, you can write to us in the comments section.